Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well, you're doing fine. I'm doing this video. I'm a night guy. Yeah, you need to know that I'm a night guy. My energy is is peak in the night. So right now I'm filming this video. It's around midnight. So I want to share with you today, not today but tonight. I want to share with you some personal things, some personal stuff with myself. If I could help you in your life in these times that we have right now. When I was young, when I was a young boy, I didn't have confidence in myself. I was not confident. I was struggling with confidence. For a lot of years, I was in school, I was not confident, always like shy and not confident. And the year passed, still not confident, still a shy boy, not confident. And around 18, when I was around 18 years old, I start working on myself, doing personal growth for myself, working on myself, spirituality and everything. And that's when I discover mantras, and that changed my life, because for once in my life I knew how to fix this. I knew how to fix this and to become confident. I learned that. I learned mantras in a book. I was reading a book to work on myself, to improve myself. And I read about the subconscious and how powerful a mantra is to change the conversation with yourself, to change something in your life. So I told myself, okay, I'm going to use mantras I'm going to use those mantras to become confident, to have confidence, not to be shy anymore. I could not, back then I could never talk to you on a camera like that. Not even close of opening up this, pushing that red button, record. Never, 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 never. So I told myself, okay, I'm gonna use those mantras to not be shy anymore, to program, to use my subconscious and to change my conversation with myself, so my subconscious understand that I'm not shy anymore and I'm confident. Because when someone is shy, it's a lack of confidence. That's why the person is shy. Someone who's confident is not shy. So if you're shy, and if you want to take this away, if you don't want to be shy anymore, you have to work on your confidence, and there's tools to work on that confidence. So I'm going to share with you today, I'm sharing right now that when I was a young boy, I was very shy, no confidence, zero confidence. So what did I do for myself? I read about mantras and how powerful it could change you. And I start doing mantras every day at 18, every day forever. Forever. Not 1 year, not 2 months, not 6 months, forever. Every day saying mantras to myself to change it in my subconscious. Because once you repeat something to yourself, your subconscious start to believe it. And when your subconscious start to believe it, you know what? Guess what? You start to believe it. And when you start to believe it, you see proof in your life. So now you get confident, because you get more and more confident, because you convince yourself, because the subconscious doesn't know the difference. When you repeat over and over to your subconscious that now you are confident, doesn't know the difference. So you start convincing yourself. That's the only way to be confident. to become. You could fake it. You could fake that you're confident, but it's gonna show. People are gonna see it. They're gonna say, "Oh no, he's not. This person's not confident. He's just faking it." Some people not gonna see it, but very quick people, quick-minded people, they're gonna feel it in the energy. So I started to do mantras, not for 6 months, not for 2 weeks, forever, year after year, day after day, telling myself I am confident now. And the now is important because the subconscious pick up that now you are confident. I am confident now. I am confident now. I'm confident that. So if you want to increase your confidence, and God knows we need to be confident right now in this time in 2021 as I record this video on September. We need to be confident if we want to be good in our life, if we want to face what's going on right now, and to feel good. So it's very, very important right now to be confident. So if you want more confidence, you use those mantras. And it's not gonna be, like I said in another video, you could check it out if you want. I did another video about different things. I was talking about it doesn't happen in a weekend when we work on ourselves, on spirituality. So you could watch this video, you could come check it out on my channel. This video is about, it's not easy to do personal growth. It's not an easy journey. It's work. You need to work it. And it's not only in a weekend that you grow. So I'm gonna come back to what I'm saying right now. So you're not gonna become confident on a weekend. You need to put some work, and you need to do those mantras every day for how long? The rest of your life. For the rest of your life. Because the confidence, you always need to increase it. Always. Because if you stop working on your confidence, you know what happened? It's natural. It's going to go down. Because it's like a plant. If you stop putting water in the plant, what's going to happen to the plant? It's going to die. So it's the same thing with your confidence. You always need to work it. And when you see someone who's truly confident, tell yourself, this guy worked on this confidence. The confidence doesn't come naturally. It's not like, okay, this guy is lucky, he's confident. No, it doesn't work like this. He works to be confident. He works every day, every week, every year on his confidence. So there's no lucky in this. You're not lucky or not lucky because you're not confident. You need to do the work. So if you want to do the work and become confident, you need to do those mantras for the rest of your life. Because if you start to be confident and you do the mantras and you stop, it's like you stop putting water in that plant. What's gonna happen to the plant? It's gonna die. Same thing with the mantras. If you stop doing it, your confidence is gonna go down, 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 because you need to maintain it. Once it's there, some people think when they achieve success, it's done. They don't need to do any work. That's the biggest mistake in life. When you achieve success, you need to work to stay there. A lot of people paid the price. They were number one in whatever field of their life. And you know what happened? They stopped working. They stopped practicing the strategy that they got the success from. So what happened? The success was not there anymore because they stopped watering the plant. You have to keep watering that plant. So that plant right now for you, if you want to be confident, you keep watering that plant to do the mantras and to become confident. So that's what I want to share with you. So I was a young boy, shy, no confidence, zero confidence. 18 years old, start doing the mantras, and I'm still doing those mantras because what am I doing? I'm watering the plant. Always watering the plant. Very important. I've been studying subconscious for 30 years. I've been coaching my clients how to use their subconscious with video coaching like this, like I'm doing right now, one-on-one live. And it's fantastic when we know how to use those strategy. So if you want to increase your confidence, there's only one way. You need to work your subconscious. There's no other way. That's the only one. So I started doing this at 18 years old, increased my confidence. Not shy anymore, not shy anymore. I would not do this video right now if I was shy, not shy anymore. Just built on that confidence. And that confidence bring me success in my life in different area, different field, because people feel the vibration of confidence. And you know what? When they feel that vibration that you're confident, you know what happens with them? They feel secure. They say, okay, I'm going to do business with this guy. Yeah, I feel good with this guy or with this girl. I feel good because they feel the vibration of confidence, and they're like, okay, good confidence, you know? Like good confidence, not ego confidence. That's a different confidence, the real confidence. So I've been doing those mantras, and I had a lot of success in different field of my life, and it's because I did this work, and I'm still doing this work to be confident in the good way, and to work it with the subconscious and to maintain it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you're gonna work on yourself to be more confident, whatever the level of you're at. You could be at 0 confidence or like 50%. There's always room to be more confident. And when you're confident, the law of attraction works 100% because you're sending vibration very powerful, and the law of attraction sends you back high vibe things that you want in your life, or different dreams, or different whatever you want in your life. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave a comment. Are you shy? Are you confident? Do you want to be more confident? Leave a comment, please, and share this video to help people that are shy right now and that are not confident, want to get out of that. So please share this video, and I'll see you next time.